Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can create a grade sheet on Brightspace. So all you have to do is you go to your landing page and then you can go to your particular course. And then, so let's say go to my course and then you can click on grades and you can set it up. Okay, now in order to just demonstrate this to you, I am going to my sandbox. Okay, so I will go to my sandbox and then I'll create a grade sheet. So just imagine this is your course. Okay, all you have to do is click on grades and then all you have to do is setup wizard. Okay, so once you're on setup wizard, so this is going to be the first page that you're going to see on setup wizard. You can get started. And there are 7 steps. So the first step is it's asking you what kind of a grading system do you want? Do you want a weighted grading system, or do you want points, or do you want formula? Just to make it simple, I'm going to use points, but you can use any of this. Okay, so point system, and then it's asking you, do you want the final grade to be calculated, or do you want to adjust your final grade, or do you want to automatically release the final grade? I wouldn't automatically release the final grade for now. It can calculate the final grade, but I think it's a safe option to have adjusted final grades in case you want to modify if a student gets extra points for something, or you give an extra quiz or anything. So it would be nice to have an adjusted final grade instead of calculated final grade. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to use a calculated final grade and continue. Now it's asking, do you want to drop any ungraded items? Yes, I want to drop any ungraded items. And also this says that automatically the students are upgraded with their final grade, which means that quiz 1, what's the grade? Quiz 2, what's the grade? And what the system will do is it'll add the quiz 1 and quiz 2 and give a final grade, and then give a quiz 3. It's going to add quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 and give a final grade. So that's really a nice option where the students can monitor their progress. Okay, and then you click continue and next continue, and how many decimal points you want for your grades. 2 decimal points is good. All right, so this is going to be the last step, and there you go, and then you hit finish and you have just set up a grade sheet for your students. So if you go to manage grades, what has happened here is the grade has been created. Okay, what has happened here is all the assignments and quizzes that I have created on the syllabus automatically gets included in this grade sheet. But let's say that I really don't want this. And if you're fine with this, if you're giving quiz 1, assignment 1, another assignment, this looks fine. That's great. Okay, let's say my final grades are just based on 4 quizzes. Okay, so let's say I give 4 quizzes to students, I add them up, and then that's going to be my final grade. All you can do is assignment 2 can be changed to quiz 2. Okay, save and close. And here is something called neuroscience assignment 1. I'm going to edit that and call it quiz 3. Save and close. And then that's it. So I'm not going to add one more quiz. Let's say my exam is based on 3 quizzes and that's all. Okay, so just based on the combination of 3 quizzes. Now you can go to enter grades, and there you go. That's the grade sheet has been created. So you'll have the first and last name of student here, and then you are going to have the final grade, and then you'll have quiz 1, how much did the student get? Quiz 2, how much did the student get? Quiz 3, and also it will calculate the final grade. Now what is nice about this is, let's say you create a quiz for the student. That quiz can be linked to quiz 1 here, and that will automatically enter all the scores that your students got in quiz 1 here. Let's say you create a quiz 2 and link it to quiz 2 here. Now, all the scores that the students got on quiz 2 are going to be entered here. Let's say you give quiz 3, automatically all the scores will be entered here. So you don't have to really manually enter anything, and everything gets entered, and also it'll calculate the final grade for you. So this is really a nice system where automatically the grades are entered. So it's nice to create a grade sheet for the students. I think that's a nice option so that the students can see how they're progressing in their class. And also in the next video, I'll show you how you can link the quiz to the grade sheet.